In enterprise AI, do agents really need to learn the world, or should they just read the rules? Standard world models internalize environment dynamics through training. But in enterprise systems, dynamics are defined by tenant-specific business rules and workflows. These configurations vary across deployments and evolve over time. A learned model trained on historical transitions becomes brittle the moment it faces a deployment shift. This research asks, if rules are readable at inference time, does the agent still need to learn them? The answer is no. The authors propose enterprise discovery agents. Instead of relying on internalized weights, these agents query the live system configuration at runtime. They use tools to retrieve active business rules, schema definitions, and SLA policies, grounding their predictions in the current instance state. To test this, they introduced CascadeBench. This benchmark uses synthetic schemas to eliminate pre-training memorization, forcing models to rely on reasoning or retrieval. They evaluate transition prediction using intersection over union on field-level state deltas, capturing both affected tables and specific value changes. The results reveal a critical trade-off. Fine-tuned models using LoRA achieved high in-distribution accuracy, but degraded significantly under configuration shift. They overfit to training dynamics. In contrast, discovery agents maintained robustness across tenants. Runtime retrieval recovered a large fraction of the oracle signal, significantly closing the performance gap compared to prompted baselines. However, discovery has limits. The study stratified transitions by complexity. Agents matched oracle performance on Tier 1 schema effects and Tier 2 rule cascades. But on Tier 3, execution-inferred behavior like race conditions or async interleaving, performance plateaued. This shows that some dynamics are only observable through execution, not static configuration. Reasoning bottlenecks persist even with perfect context. Models suffer from cascade fadeout, where recall drops sharply beyond the first 2 hops, and single record assumptions, missing parallel updates in iterative scripts. This proves retrieval alone doesn't fix composition errors. The conclusion: in configurable enterprise environments, learned world models are necessary but insufficient. The optimal approach is hybrid, combining learned priors with runtime discovery. Agents must be trained not just to predict, but to learn when and how to retrieve the active logic governing the system.